The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video on the LG Stylo 4 for Virgin Mobile USA, guys. So the Stylo 4 is now here at Virgin Mobile, guys. Y'all guys can get the LG Stylo 4 at Virgin Mobile for $199 at Virgin Mobile, guys. So yeah, so the Stylo 4 is finally here, like I said. So that's good news that Virgin Mobile got the Stylo 4. They got the same version as the Virgin Mobile 1, of course. So that's the phone right there, front and center. It looks like it is a very nice phone and stuff like that. It has pretty good specs on it, you know what I'm saying. But there is some downsides to the phone, of course. But overall, the phone looks very beautiful and all that good stuff. So yeah. So here's the phone right here. Like I said, you guys will have your front-facing camera right there, earpiece, your volume button on the left. So yeah, your power button will be on the right side there. You also have a stylus pen, of course. So stylus pen goes at the bottom there. It has an 18:9 screen there. You know, here's the back of the Stylo 4. You guys will have your camera flash, fingerprint sensor, LG logo, and whatnot. Your SIM and SD card tray is on the left side of the phone, I believe. So yeah. Since the LG Stylo 4 is a device that fits your lifestyle, no matter how big your life is. Create more, play more, live more. It's more than a phone. It's your best life in the palm of your hand, and you also get free shipping and whatnot ever. So here are the specs on the Stylo 4. As you guys know, the specs are. The Stylo 4 has a 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display with embedded stylus. Maximize your view and your enjoyment on a full vision display that delivers clear picture quality and a more vivid visual experience. It also has smart rear key. Use your fingerprint to unlock your phone. Quick shutter, quick screenshot, and control notifications. Okay, so that's a nice feature to have. It also has DTSX 3D audio rendering. Immersive audio rendering delivers a louder, richer sound to Immersive audio rendering delivers a louder, richer sound for music, videos, and games over headphones and speakers. Of course, as you guys know, the LG Stylo 4 has Android 8.1 Oreo, smarter, faster, more powerful, and sweeter than ever. The world's favorite cricket is your new favorite Android release. The Stylo 4 also features a 13-megapixel rear-facing camera and a wide-angle 5-megapixel front-facing camera. Alright, so it's capture clear, high-quality photos of moving subjects with the high-speed autofocus technology you find in professional cameras, or use portrait mode to take shots with your subject and sharp focus against an artfully blurred background. Alright, it also has GIF capture. Grab fun snippets of your favorite videos, edit them with your stylus, and share them with friends. Alright, expandable storage, of course. Enjoy 2 GB of RAM and 32 GB of built-in storage with support of external micro SD card up to 2 TB. Alright. So this has 2 GB of RAM, like the original version, of course. I'll have that. I don't mention the features there, but whatever. There's the height of the phone is 6.30 inches. The weight of the phone is pretty hefty, 6.3 inches. Of course, 6.2-inch display, 2 GB of RAM, 32 GB of RAM with support of micro SD card up to 2 TB, and 8.1 Oreo. Talk time to 21 hours, 3,300 milliamp battery. The battery is not removable, and you have an octa-core 1.5 GHz MediaTek MT6750S processor there. So it's not the Snapdragon that you see in the Cricket Stylo 4 or the Metro PCI Stylo 4. I think the Unlock Stylo 4 also has a Snapdragon processor. And of course, also, of course, you get hassle-free switching and all that. No contract, keep your number, free shipping, 7-day guarantee, free activation. Well, it's phone replacement, of course, and how it works, buy the phone you want. Once it arrives, pick a new contract plan, insure your phone, 7-day return policies and stuff like that. And what you guys get in the LG Stylo 4 box is you get the LG Stylo 4, your USB-C cable, charger, endpoint information booklet, and SIM card installed. If you guys need help with your LG Stylo 4, device support is here to help you out with that, to teach you, to help you out with features and show you around the phone and stuff like that. So, yeah, there it is, guys. LG Stylo 4 1 version Mobile USA for $198.99. So, yeah, it's good that Resmo got this phone. So, yeah, it doesn't have NFC or fast charging, so keep that in mind. So no fast charge, no NFC, so keep that in mind. But other than that, the specs are decent. There are some downfalls. The phone looks very nice and stuff like that. So for $199, yeah, you might be able to get this phone for cheaper if you look elsewhere. So yeah, so that's all pretty much it there. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Peace, rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.